Hi everyone. I have lots of new likers on the page lately, so welcome to everybody who I haven't introduced myself before. Susan Farrell. I just wanted to let you all know about my art workshops, live and my online courses as well. They're not just about art, they're really about giving the opportunity for you to connect to your creative, intuitive self. So everybody has a creative self. A lot of people aren't tuning into it, which leads to a bit of imbalance in your life. So if you're feeling a bit overwhelmed and life's a bit hectic, there's nothing better than to sit down to a canvas and lose yourself in it for a few hours. It is so healing. So really that's what I'm offering. It's a healing as well as an art workshop. It's fine for beginners, of course artists who are already established. I do offer different techniques too that they may not have tried. We normally start off our workshops with a meditation that just lets us chill out a bit and connect to ourselves, to our inner creative selves and our inner child, so we can just relax and play. The live workshops are a wonderful opportunity to come down to the Mornington Peninsula with some friends or some family, your mum. It's just a wonderful opportunity. We've got lots of things to do down here as well. So I just thought that I would just let you know about those workshops. I've got one coming up just next weekend, which I do have room in, Magic Happens, and you can go over to my website and check that out on www.susanfarrellart.com.au. Now recently I've just done my little dog up here. This happens to be my own little golden retriever, but you could do something like that if you've got a pet that you would like to paint, or you can be totally abstract in the serendipity style, or you can bring out more spiritual images as well. It's totally up to you. It's a really free, intuitive exercise that lets you tap into what you need to paint. So I'd love to see you there. I've also got one happening up in Brisbane towards the end of July. I've still got room in that one as well. Okay, bye for now.